If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on this channel.
Hello, Namaste.
Lentils or pulses or dal. They are very good quality proteins for vegetarians and are versatile too. We can make lentil soup or dals to go along with our chapatis or rice. Link of all these recipes is given in description below. We can make some very delicious snacks using lentils or pulses. You can check these recipes. Link is given in description below. And a very special deep fried bread is also made using lentils. And today I'll show you how to make dal vadas. These are very delicious, easy to make, no special equipments needed, and these are KUMAONI style vadas. You can serve them with dips or chutneys of choice. Please note down the ingredients and get started. First of all, wash, clean and soak split black gram or dali urad dal. Soak for about 6 hours. After that, rub the lentils with your hands under running water so that the skin comes off when you wash off like this. So try rubbing and washing these lentils about 2 to 3 times so that maximum skin comes off. It's okay if there are little bit of skin remaining. That gives a nice texture to these vadas. So these lentils are good to go in a mixie along with a little piece of ginger or adrak, some green chillies or hari mirch to your taste, and make a semi-coarse paste. Add salt or namak to taste, turmeric or haldi, Asafoetida or hing, some cilantro or hara dhania, and beat the mixture well. Mix all the ingredients well and remember to beat or mix only in one direction so that the aeration doesn't break and we have nice fluffy vadas. And how do we check? Drop a little portion in a cup of water. If it floats on the surface of water, means we are good to go. So here, heat sufficient oil or tel in a pan for deep frying these vadas. Always keep a bowl of water handy to shape the vadas. So wet your hands with water. Take some portion of the vada batter. Wet your finger and make a depression in the batter. Gently put it in hot oil. Similarly, wet your hands with wet finger. Make a depression and drop these vadas gently in hot oil. Do not disturb initially, and after that splash hot oil over these vadas so that they cook well from all the sides. So initially the heat should be medium or medium low. When you flip and fry the other side, you can increase the heat to medium high. Flip and fry these vadas until they look golden. Remove when done. Enjoy them as is or with a cup of tea or some dips or chutneys of choice. Why not try this with KUMAONI style kheer ka raita? Link of all dips and this raita given in description below. Thanks for watching.